Now, following on from that video, because today is now the 28th, it's got round to Friday already, and I was out of bed at 3:30 this morning and down here at 4 because yesterday I had a hell of a day trying to get Deborah's heater to work. Installation, no bother at all. Everything worked tic-tac-toe in a good place, nice and safe. But when I came to power it up, the controller would power up, but it wouldn't work. After a few seconds it comes up with error code 7. Well, of course, where she lives there's no internet connection, Wi-Fi, bugger all, not even a cell phone connection. So I called it a day, and it was getting a bit snowy and things like that, and a bit cold. So I came back and I found out that code 07 means incompatible. Now this to me was really strange because I had it working here on the bench, and I ordered a universal controller from Amazon of like $40, and it came next day, and I thought everything would work. Didn't work. So I thought, well, rather than taking it out, I'm going to use this as a test bench. So I brought it back, plugged it in, 07. Plugged in, where is it now? I'm all confused. This one here, I made a special one because I made a longer lead on it. Alright, plug this one in and it worked. So, what's the difference? It's exactly the same. Except with the plugs. Every one I've plugged in with a black plug don't work. White plugs, they work. Ebony and ivory don't get on. So said Stevie Wonder, I don't know. But when I was rummaging through my shelves today, I think I found the answer, because I ordered controllers and remotes and all that paraphernalia, and I realised, where are they now? Here. I already had a kit from when I was messing about with Webasto's years ago. But see here, this is the motherboard that goes on top of your heater. So your controls going near your pump and your glow plug and things like that, they all go through these little connectors here. But have you noticed something? It's got a black plug. Even though this is a white plug, it doesn't really matter. But this is a black plug. I'm just wondering if there's some hardware or software that's not compatible. Why would you go to all the trouble of changing the plastic mouldings on plugs? I don't know, I can't work it out. But again, when I plug this one in, it works. When I plug this one in, it doesn't work. You don't believe me, do you? Let's wire this one up. Right, so here goes. Oh, new controller. The one I found in the box, black plug. Check it. You're going to call me a liar. Error code 7. You see that? Error 7. Let's take that out. This bit out. So here we go, white plug. White plug to white plug. Turn it on. Oh, long press. Works. See? Turn it off. Exactly the same. But they won't work. They won't work. These are absolutely identical. Now, just to push this point a little bit further, this is a Vivor one that I was talking to you about, and this has got a white plug on it too. Plug it on, turn it on,
start heating.
Start heating. Is it? Come on then. Manual. Start heating. Now why doesn't that work? 501, what does that mean? You see? I think there's some compatibility errors with these. But it doesn't fire up the heater. It doesn't work. Takes the temperatures all the way where you want to do, but there's no heat coming out of it. Oh! I know why. Oh, stupid. What I did was, this had a black plug on it, but a different plug, like a little square plug. So all I did was, I cut the plug off this one and put it onto here. Same colours, but it won't work, see? Ah, that's the reason why. But this one wouldn't have it at all, this one wouldn't work. Even on this white plug, because this is an old one apparently. This is the old design. Oh, okay. What a mix-up. So what I'm saying is, this afternoon I might just take this to pieces and plug in this black plugged motherboard into here, keep the white one as a spare, and see if this works. If it works in here, then we've got a good working spare. It could be kind of an interesting thing to do. They're not very difficult to get into. You know, it's a bit of a pain in the ass because they've got that tank on the outside. But I'm convinced there's been some sort of upgrade somewhere that stops them talking together on different coloured plugged receivers. Even though they look the same, there's something not quite right. Now, if we take this apart and have a look inside, and the plug on the motherboard's a white one, we'll know there's something wrong. Look, white plug onto there. I think I'm going to take this off and put that one on there, which has got a black plug. Ignore that one, that's just the white plug on that one is different, but black plug to black plug. Let's get an Allen key, swap this board over, see what it does. I think I might be onto something. Look, the connector points are different. See there? These are different. There's the black one, got a two-prong there, two-prong there, but look, it's on a different plug. Same as here. That's a three-prong. Well, that's a three-prong. And there's only two wires on that one, but that's a three connector. So this is the white one, and this is the black one. They're different. Yeah. Now that says what there? 2140 on that there. CC 2020. What does that mean? 2020. Can you see it down there? And the date on that one, 2140. But it's a completely different board. That's why it won't work. At least I think it won't. I mean, why has it got 4 plugs on there? You know, 4 pinouts when there's, you know, there's 3 there, but there's nothing connected, but the board looks completely different. Well, I'm not going to go any further with that. I think I've established that's its problem. The black plugs didn't need a different motherboard. The white plugs need the white plug. Where is it gone now? This one here. It needs that type of plug on to correspond with the white plug here. I'm sure. I'm convinced. Oh, there it is. You know, that's it. Here, I've disconnected it. I'm sure it works the same. There must be something inside there that's different. But I'm not going to mess about swapping it over because I don't think it will. I don't think it will, because especially that one, it's on different pins. Oh, compared to that one, it's on a little 2-pin. Yeah, something different. Well, let's box this back up again. So I'm convinced now that these are newer motherboards. This is 2140 40s, so it's been made in the 40th week of 2021, where the other was 2020. Could you use this? I think you could. Even though the plugs were different, I think it's the same wires. We'd just have to find out what the pinouts are for here and put the pin, you know, maybe cut the wires off the old one and transfer them across to here. I'm not sure. Needs a bit more experimenting, but I'm sure that that's the problem. That's why it can't read it. Perhaps the pin's in the wrong place. You know what I mean? So, I think it's fixable. I think we can use these black plug ones. Well, this was a square black plug. I've thrown it away. But I believe we could use that one with that motherboard if we put the pins in the right place. Tell me what you think. Am I barking at the wrong tree? Because there's something somewhere. But I'm not prepared at the moment, because this is working, to cut wires and transfer them over. I'd rather like another heater where I could just easily take it to bits, because that's a bit of a pain in the backside taking that one to bits. Anyway, tell me your thoughts.